How to create Telegram account with email. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to open App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Now search for Telegram and download the latest version. Tap Open button to access Telegram app. Tap Start Messaging button. Now you need to tap Continue to allow Telegram to receive calls. Tap Allow to make and manage phone calls. Enter your country code and enter your phone number and tap the blue arrow icon. Make sure that your number is correct and tap on Yes button and then allow Telegram to read the call log. Tap Continue. Now you can simply check your email ID and then enter the code received on your email ID. You can even sign in with Google. Now you need to enter your two verification or two-step verification password. So by entering the code, we have already accessed the Telegram home feed. So Telegram doesn't allow account creation with an email. Anyone claiming they can do this for you is likely a scammer. So similar to WhatsApp, Telegram uses a phone number for verification. A verification code is sent via SMS or call to complete the setup. If you don't want to use your personal number, you can optional or for a temporary or virtual phone number. Many online services provide virtual numbers for Telegram verification. So Telegram has not enabled email-based sign-ups so far. If they introduce this in future, we will update you. So I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.